Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now, with us this evening from Pakistan, we have Raja Faisal, Dr. Hamid Khan, and Asim Raza. And what do we say to them? Samar, General Dayal, and Deepak Vora, and NND Dubey. What do we say to a country that has once again gone through a coup today? Aur ek baar coup. They should have a movie called Fir Ek Coup. Huh? Coup ke aage, coup ke baad, coup ke beech, coup ke samay, aage bhi coup, piche bhi coup, upar bhi coup, niche bhi coup. You know, it's a reality. This is a pathetic country. Pathetic country.
It's a non-country.
It's a non-country. I want to first show the pictures today of the Chinese giving a dressing down to... I want to show the Pakistanis on their face. The dressing down they got. And Shehbaz Sharif, who's just come out of hospital, he has hemorrhoids. Some people have said he has got piles. I don't know. It could be. He was looking very uncomfortable sitting on that seat.
Sir.
Well, he sat there like this and he was getting a dressing down from the Chinese. And that's bad body language, Faisal. Look at him. Can I run those pictures there? Look at the way he was behaving. And naturally, because there's been a coup, because the Pakistani army, look at him out there. He's looking so helpless. So helpless. Look at him out there. Can we be there? And he's looking helpless. He's looking glum. These people, this geriatric club of Pakistan, it's looking crestfallen. It's surrounded. And by the way, Samar, how are the naval exercises going?
Awesome. They're going
awesome.
Fantastic.
How is the RT deployment going? All fantastic, right? All on track. All on track. Amazing.
The only problem is they're not visible.
And the military exercises are going
amazing. Amazing. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Now, first comment here. First comment here from General Dayal. General Dayal, your comment on the army taking over the position of Pakistan's NSA. What it means.
See, Arnab, this was the latest picture of Army Chief.
It means even bad time for you.
Hear it out.
Honestly
We'll see.
speaking.
Windows!
Even or
Quiet! Nobody speaks over each other. General
That is
Dayal.
the meaning of it.
See, it has 2-3 indications
It
very
means
clearly.
that
Hamid after him. Hamid after him. Hamid after him.
Wait.
Hamid after him. Please wait. Thank you.
Wait.
General Dayal.
Firstly,
No,
it
I
is...
mean,
After him.
you carried on with your mantra and then
Wait.
you want me to listen to you. Let me speak first and then you start your...
No, I won't
no.
let you
No,
first.
no,
I'll let
he
General
asked
Dayal
me a
speak
question, so
because of his
let's-
seniority,
let's
experience.
debate.
I will let him speak. After that, I'll come to you.
Listen,
Thank you very much. The
we are
rules of
going to
engagement.
assess you, no? We are assessing what is the
yeah.
meaning of all
this. Is the new ruler of Pakistan.
Justification
Yeah.
later on.
Yeah.
Hear me out. See, firstly, it is very clear that Pakistan leadership, Pakistan nation, Pakistan people feel that war is imminent to you. So they understand that their civilian government does not understand any nuisance of warfare. So they need a coordinator who can closely, guide the civilian government with the military. So that's the first indicator that they feel.
Well, let him
war is
finish. Let
imminent.
him finish.
Second is also, no, Arnab, the second is more critical thing. It also reflects that somewhere the civilian government does not feel very comfortable and confident with Munir. So they needed somebody to counterbalance the power center in a manner that
But
the civilian government is fully aware.
But there is a problem here.
No, there could be a chance. No, there could be a Munir could be carrying out a coup. You don't be surprised.
You say this is the first step of the coup.
First step of the coup, the civilian government wanted, or this civilian government would like to now carry out a coup and dismiss this.
No, what has happened today? I'll give a very rational view on this. We don't
They
need to.
don't want to fight the war.
I'll give a very rational view on this, and my rational view is this. Hamid, just chill out and listen
I
to me.
wish you give a rational view.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When your Senate has stopped discussing me, right? Because all your really weak leaders stand up and say, Arnab Goswami, Arnab Goswami, Arnab Goswami. Have they got nothing to do but watch Republic? Now, my point is this. No. Hamid, see, 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute. And you see, the point is, today you have burnt your constitution because anyway, you hardly follow the constitution. But this dual office of the ISI chief becoming NSA undermines Article 243 and Article 91 of the Pakistani Constitution, which says that armed forces should be under civilian control. And when Malik becomes the NSA, it's a civilian bypass, which is a typical hallmark of a soft coup. My question is very clearly, will the ISI director, who is now NSA, report to the Prime Minister of Pakistan or to Rawalpindi? And my answer is, he's going to report to Rawalpindi.
Obviously.
He's not going to report to Shahbaz Sharif. He's going to report to Rawalpindi.
That is true.
Which means Rawalpindi has taken over, Faisal. Congratulations for another coup. Yeah, Faisal.
Everyone.
Faisal.
Okay.
Yeah, if wishes.
All right, I'm listening to you, man. I'm listening to you. Chillax. I'm listening to you.
Okay.
I'm listening to you, all right? Yeah,
Arnab,
thank you. Everyone else, yeah. Yeah.
Arnab, if wishes were horses, fools would ride.
You know, you don't even know proper English, class 2 level cliches. I don't like all.
Horse, this guy?
Yeah, is he sitting on a horse?
Yeah.
Deepak, one minute. Deepak, what are you asking him?
Yeah.
I was asking
I'm
on a horse.
pointing towards the people who are actually riding the horses right now.
Anyway, carry
I'm
on.
pointing towards the people
Tell me
who are
about
riding the horses right now. And you have asked me who
With
will
due
he
respect,
be,
you
who
are
will he
busy
be answerable
selling
to?
donkeys while we ride
he-
horses.
Yeah.
Well, he is answerable to everyone.
No. Point is, answer my question. Answer my question. Now, what happens is, Raja Faisal, you are sitting, right, on the largest news network of the largest democracy in the country. All right? So my point is, just have some respect. I'm asking you a question tonight. A civilian bypass is a dangerous thing. The Pakistan Constitution, Part 2, Chapter 3, Article 91, and Part 2, Chapter 2, Article 243, which says that no member of the federal government will report to anyone in the armed forces. Now, I say tonight, I'm asking you, focus, man, focus. Does Lieutenant General Mohammad Asim Malik report to Asim Munir or report to Shahbaz Sharif? Does he report to Asim Munir or Shahbaz Sharif? Tell me, don't run.
That tells, in according to a Constitution of Pakistan, DGISI is selected by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and the current DGISI is selected by Prime Minister of Pakistan. In these circumstances, the one we are going through, both of the countries are going through, of course, the best man to be NSA, to be very close to Prime Minister of Pakistan is DGISI. That is why we are seeing.
But who, 1 minute, you got
what you have technically done is you have officially included all the terrorist tanzeems as a part of the Pakistan military, and now the communications in terms of anything to help the terrorists are now official.
This is the first step. See, the question
I
is...
have no reservation.
1 minute, General Dayal.
Because I know the
General
way
Dayal.
you think about Pakistan is entirely different to
the
way I think about Pakistan. I think about Pakistan.
All these are cosmetic things which you are talking.
The rules
The
and
fact is
regulations are.
that Munir is de facto a dictator. Munir is de facto a dictator and Sharif is just a pawn. So he has brought another man right on top of Prime Minister so that he can carry out a coup at the right
What's
time.
happened? Okay, Raja, what's your problem? Raja, what's your problem?
Raja's problem is he will end up in jail because he's trying to talk other than what ISI has directed him to speak. So tomorrow morning you will not have him on your show tomorrow. This is last night.
Yeah.
Report deni hai na.
No,
I'm telling you,
Sir, you're
because
living
he's
in
talking
fool's paradise.
something. He's saying this is
You
Nawaz
are
Sharif
living in fool's
appointed.
paradise
He's
and
going to
you are
report to Nawaz Sharif.
underestimating me.
ISI is under Nawaz Sharif. He's talking. He's belittling his chief.
You have used a political position to formally give a platform to the terrorists.
Viewers, people across India are calling tonight
National
and saying
Security Advisor is a
people are
position that
calling
actually
people
advises the Prime
across
Minister
India.
on
See,
certain
I pity you. Let me tell you one thing, Raja, and don't disturb me. I don't empathize or sympathize with you. I simply pity you.
Okay.
I pity you.
Okay.
Your bad situation. You're cornered
yeah,
everywhere.
honestly.
Shahbaz doesn't know what to do. Now, Hamid, tell me one thing. Isn't it true that what happened today, exactly this happened in October 1999 when Musharraf overthrew Nawaz Sharif? He fused the military and executive powers. Today, military and executive powers have been fused once again, right? Don't tell me you don't have this much. You understand what's happened, right?
I understand.
Thank you.
I
Please,
understand.
thank you. This is a coup.
Okay. I'll tell you. It has nothing to do with what past reference you are giving.
Oh.
It is a very wise and clear message to Indians that if even they think to attack on Pakistan,
Who's talking
they
about
will
India
be
attacking?
tear apart in pieces now, because our NSA is the person who has a lot of experience with
NTA,
dealing these matters.
National
And
Terrorist
secondly-
Advisor, not Security Advisor.
Secondly, I am really feeling
He's
pity
your
for
NTA.
Indians now.
Change
I'm
the
feeling pity
designation.
For Indians. Yeah, Turji, bolne de please. I am feeling pity for Indians that they are trying to make every day that Pakistan is under attack and everything. And on the other hand, India is facing humiliation across the world. From America, they have refused to support you. And European Union, they have
We
refused
don't
to
need
support
anybody's
you.
support.
New York Times
Listen,
is
you
writing
don't-
against
listen
you.
to me,
Your
listen to me,
own
Arnab,
BJP
listen,
neta are saying
listen,
that
no,
you
please,
need to
stop
resign.
this, stop this support
And
business.
you are-
We don't
you are
need, you
firing
need
your
support.
own vice
India
chair,
does
you are
not
firing
need
your-
anybody's
you are
support.
firing your
India is a
generals.
strong
They have
country, the world
refused
needs
to
India.
support.
We are economic
Your generals
power,
have
we are a military
refused to
power, we
support
are a human
India in
resources
this war
power,
because
we
they
are a
know it
space
is gonna
power,
be-
the world needs
they're
us.
gonna
We
be
don't need,
hard.
we don't need anybody.
I'm telling you
So the
that your
problem with you
generals
is,
are
listen
going
to
to
it,
have
listen,
refused to
listen,
fight
have a,
against Pakistan.
listen, have a
Your
factual,
generals-
Hamid, listen.
have a factual,
Why don't you tell
Hamid,
the reality to
Hamid,
the
can I just deal with him 1 minute? He needs a surgical strike from me. He needs a surgical strike from me, sir. Can I shoot a pinaka at him? Thank you. I'll shut him up in a minute. Okay, Hamid, listen to me. Hamid, I know how to shut him up. I'll tell you. Hamid, I know how to shut you up, so I'll deal with you. You are a disease that only I can. You are a disease.
Your army have refused.
Unfortunately,
Your Air
he has
Force is
been
not willing to
adjutant
fight.
general.
Your
He is
Rafael
commanding
has
अच्छा, बोल लीजिए, आप बोल
division
लीजिए.
in
Pakistan Air Force.
He only
हमने
understands
भगा दिया.
terror.
लॉजिकल आदमी नहीं है.
मार के भगा
warfare.
दिया. Why don't you tell the reality to the Indian people? Why do you keep them in a cuckoo land? Why
Which
do
land?
you keep them false hope?
We
that
will-
We are a
India can win?
democracy.
We will personally come meet you and discuss this.
Sir,
telling
please
you.
you tell him he's not a forgee.
telling you.
मैं बोल देता हूँ. I will tell you. I'll deal with it. आप 2 मिनट Hamid.
India.
Hamid.
I am giving you the
भैया,
warning. Do not think to attack on Pakistan.
Who's
Because
thinking?
Do not think to attack on Pakistan. Do not think to attack on Pakistan. What is like going to a movie or what? I'll do what the hell I want to do. Why should? Now listen to me. Listen to me. To all the panelists, I want to introduce who Dr. Hamid Khan actually is. ये कौन है? ये क्या करते हैं? ये मैं जानता हूँ और सिर्फ मैं जानता हूँ. और मैं इनको expose करूँगा.
I'm trying to warn you.
Hamid, I don't hate
if
you.
You can understand.
I don't hate you.
That this decision
I
was the
pity
best
you.
decision by the Pakistan government, and Pakistan forces have taken the best decision by
चलो
appointing
शांत हो
General
जाओ ना. अभी
Asim
now
and
listen to me 1 minute. I need to.
And last
I think he
thing,
has a
last thing,
paper kept
last
in
thing.
front of him.
नहीं
Your own
नहीं.
media, your
Volume
own-
down. I'll tell you. Viewers, I'll tell you about this man. मैं इनकी सच्चाई बताता हूँ. You must have heard that speech of Asif Munir.
Yes, sir.
You heard that speech of Asif Munir when he went and he said, attack Hindus. Hindus are different. हिंदुओं को अटैक करो. ये आसिफ मुनीर की बात थी. हिंदू अलग है, मुस्लिम अलग है, हिंदू अलग है, मुस्लिम अलग है. जो स्पीच थी. अब ये शांत हो गए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मेरी बात सुनिए. 2 मिनट चुप रहिए. हाँ ठीक है.
मैं तो master of-
अरे रुक जाइए ना 2 मिनट. आपको ही एक्सपोज कर रहा हूँ. अच्छी तरह से एक्सपोज करूंगा. आपको प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
मैं अच्छी तरह आपको बता रहा
आपको
हूँ.
मैं फर्स्ट आई विल रोस्ट यू, बॉयल यू, स्क्यूअर यू एंड देन सर्व यू.
First, I will roast you.
Now my question is,
And I am roasting
this
you.
man wrote that speech. I want to tell you the real identity of this man. This man. And he admitted on my program that Arnab, I wrote that speech for Asim Munir. He says he's a journalist. He's a turncoat. He's a Hindu-phobic maniac. He wrote the speech and he came to my program and he said proudly, I wrote the anti-Hindu speech. Did you not say it? कहा कि नहीं?
How we will
कहा कि नहीं Hamid?
carry on.
Hamid कहा कि नहीं?
Carry on.
Hamid
How
कहा
we
कि
will
नहीं?
treat India if we
कहा
carry
कि नहीं
on
भाई?
terrorism in Pakistan.
Did you
How
write the
we will
speech?
treat India.
Did you write the anti-Hindu speech?
No.
No.
Very
You
clear
said I was there, I wrote it.
anybody Whose RSS ideology.
You said I was there, I wrote it. Last time you said it.
System.
Pull out his old
What-
clip.
What Modi is doing to your own people.
Modi, learn to spell his name properly.
Last bill आया
Can you
है
put
from
him quiet?
200 years old bill you are implementing.
Anyway,
on the nation,
I tell you one thing.
bringing
Asim
slavery.
Raza, I want to go to you. This man is irrational. Asim.
Listen to me very carefully.
No, don't respond to him. Sir, don't. He's not worth your level, sir. ये आपके level के नहीं.
No, Arnab, there is a fact. Hamid, no one fact. There is only one immortal thing on this earth, and that is the Gangetic Valley civilization. You must understand. You are trying to tell us that you are trying to threaten the civilization. Gangetic Valley civilization is immortal. Every other civilization has gone either under the sea or under the Mother Earth.
Now I want to introduce one person out here. Volume down. I want to introduce one person sitting in my studio. Listen to me. Faisal, listen to me. Asim Raza. This person, this gentleman sitting in my studio, his name is NND Dubey from Gorakhpur. Okay, from the National Investigating Agency. And इनकी मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन करा देता हूँ. आपको किडनी स्टोन हो जाएगा मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो. अब मेरी बात सुनिए. आसिम राजा जी वैसे भी आपको देख के लग रहा है मुझे. मेरे को बताइए, मैं डायग्नोसिस नहीं कर रहा because you are not having a problem of the disease. You are the disease. Right? Now my point is NND Dubey इन्होंने क्या किया है? Now listen to me, Faisal on the right. 1 minute. Faisal. You're reacting. Don't react to what I'm saying. Don't react. Now I want to put Faisal on the right. Faisal, don't react. I want to put Hamid and Faisal on the right. Thank you. Faisal, this man NND Dubey, single-handedly, face to face, इन्होंने जैश-ए-मोहम्मद के जो आपके टॉप कमांडर ना, जिनको आपने भेजा था, पढ़ाया था, उनका नाम है गाजी बाबा. इन्होंने फेस टू फेस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में इनको मारा है. ये गाजी बाबा को मारा, इन्होंने इन पर पिक्चर बनी है. वेल डन NND दुबे. ये पाकिस्तानियों को सिखाने का टाइम आया है कि नहीं? ये पाकिस्तानी कितने बुज़दिल है मुझे बता दीजिए. जो हामिद खान जैसे लोग बोलते रहते लेक्चर, फेस टू फेस ये पाकिस्तानी कैसे होते हैं? इन्होंने गाजी बाबा को मारा है.
दुबे जी तब कहां थे जब एनआईए ने ये डिक्लेयर किया था कि समझौता एक्सप्रेस में.
अरे भैया आप छोड़ो समझौता, आप ये बताओ आपने गाजी बाबा को कैसे मारा, ये आप बताइए, so that these people understand how Indian security forces respond. Mr. Dubey, when you hear these Pakistanis, my question to you is, ये बोलते ज्यादा है करते कम है. अब भाग रहे. टुडे हाफिज सईद भागा फिरा है. He's been running. Locations 6 बार चेंज हुई है. Mr. Dubey, what would you like to say to the Pakistanis, please?
The chief of Jaish-e-Mohammed,
please go on.
Declared his army of Allah from the soil of Bahawalpur, and he tried to spill the blood on the Indian soil. And in his place, Ghazi Baba took over the responsibility of completely operating the Jaish-e-Mohammed in JNK. And he was the person who was the last audacious action with the 5 suiciders while attacking an Indian parliament in the daylight. So was declared a proclaimed offender. And he was hiding in the jungles of Kashmir for 17 months. We hunted him down right inside his hideout. And we killed 3 Pakistanis, including Ghazi Baba, in hand-to-hand encounter. And that is the history. And after that, Jaish-e-Mohammed could not rise for 13 years till Pathankot attack. So that was the status.
Ghazi Baba, how did he die?
Those two
Tell me how he died. You tell me how you killed him, sir. You tell these Pakistanis how you killed Ghazi Baba. You say it to them. इनको सुनना पड़ेगा कि जैश-ए-मोहम्मद के लोगों को कैसे मारा NND दुबे साहब ने कीर्ति चक्र. We are so proud of him. कैसे मारा बताइए इनको. कैसे मारा इनको बताइए इनको. You say it. हामिद रिलैक्स यार, स्पीच लिखने वाली काम नहीं होती है.
You are very good in making stories.
Okay, now you dare not speak about a gallantry award. Shut. 1 minute. Someone take them on.
I'll give you documented facts by BBC. And when I talk, I give facts. And the truth is,
Put him in the middle. Put him in the middle there. Put NND Dubey in the middle.
165 regiment.
Zoom in.
He was killed on .4875. उसका शरीर हिंदुस्तानी धरती पे दफन है. दूसरा, कैप्टन कर्नल शेर खान
Zoom in on NND.
12 NLI मारा गया था टाइगर हिल पे. And we are an army with morals and respect.
और मैं
give him an honorable burial. क्योंकि तुम अपनों को अपना समझते ही नहीं हो.
ये देखिए What is let him speak now.
कुलभूषण यादव भूल गए हो तुम लोग, हमारे पास मौजूद है। टीवी पे लाके दिखा दे, फिर तुम्हारी हवा निकलेगी।
told him not to come again.
अरे मेरी बात सुनिए आसिम रजा जी, हवा तो आपकी निकल चुकी है। जब आपकी अभी जब एनएनडी दुबे को आप मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया तो मैं
मेजर एन आर्मी ऐसा ही होगा।
ये अरे मेरी बात सुनिए, ये तीनों पाकिस्तानी चला रहे हैं। अब फिर पाकिस्तानी चैनल बोलेंगे अर्नाब गोस्वामी, अर्नाब गोस्वामी, अर्नाब गोस्वामी। इस सेनेट में जाके बोलेंगे अर्नाब गोस्वामी से हमें खौफ है अर्नाब गोस्वामी से।
people enjoy
क्या भाई?
your character, you know.
आसिम राजा ये बहावलपुर का आदमी है, इसका नाम राना तहीर नदीम था, जिसको मारा उसको अबू जिहादी कहते थे और पाकिस्तानी कहते थे अबू जिहादी। कोई लोग इनका नाम मुदस्सिर शहबाज कहते थे और इनका नाम साजिद जिहादी था। आपने इनका नाम साजिद जिहादी कहा था, साजिद जिहादी यानी कि बहावलपुर का जो आदमी है जिसको आपने गाजी बाबा नाम दिया था, ही वाज किल्ड बाय एनएनडी दुबे। ये एनएनडी दुबे जैसे लोग जानते हैं, ये गोरखपुर के है ना, ये जानते हैं पाकिस्तानियों को कैसे ट्रीट करना पड़ता है।
स्वराज साहिबा ने माना नहीं कि वो जनाब साहब हमारा है, उसके बाद कहती है हमारा बेटा है।
मानते नहीं है। कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
We have got him with-
इनकी हवा निकल चुकी है आज।
All three Pakistani
कर दिया, he's got scared.
All three were hiding in a very secret chamber. Out of three, two could not fire even.
Two could not fire.
Definitely Ghazi Baba tried to fight, but was killed inside, having a great complacency. Nobody will pinpoint him in that secret chamber. We had a lead and we worked for 72 hours. We caught hold alive Pakistani from Faisalabad. Alive Pakistani who was ready to attack. On the return date of Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji.
Fantastic service.
We caught him alive. And after his interrogation, the entire module of Jaish-e-Mohammed or busted and they were silent for 13 years after killing of Ghazi Baba. They only rose up on 2nd January 2016 in Pathankot case.
They can't do anything.
For 13 years they were silent.
And when people ask me,
that was the situation.
Yeah, Raja, क्या problem है Raja? What is your problem? Fantastic. क्या problem Raja? What's your problem?
Arnab, my problem is I just wanted to ask Dubey ji, does he know how Kulbhushan Jadhav was caught? Like a rat?
Come on.
अरे छोड़ो यार, एक मिनट, we'll give it back to you so hard. एक बार कुलभूषण जाधव,
वो राणा भी हमारे पास पड़ा है।
आपका तावर राणा इधर बैठा हुआ है।
बैठा है इसलिए better treat
We give him 2 slaps और अभिनंदन को आपने 50 घंटे में वापस दिया, 50 घंटे में वापस दिया और तब कहा अरे भाई वापस दे दो नहीं तो इंडिया अटैक करेगा। बाय द वे आपके सेनेट के जोकर्स जो हैं, आपके सेनेट के जोकर्स को बोलिए थोड़ा ठीक से बात करें। और दूसरी बात, now I want to share a very important piece of news, ladies and gentlemen. The important bit of news I want to share with you. See, I'll tell. Listen to me. Listen. सबसे बुरी बात क्या है?
Because he was of no use to us.
ठीक है ना यार, डर गए आप, ठीक है।
The pilot you had given your very smallest plane and MiG-21 is nothing to us.
Jal
Pilot who was to you, at the end of that war, Munir and Malik will be found in chambers like what just now you heard about Ghazi Baba. So they will also hide in chambers, they will also hide and your people will dig them out. Your people will dig them out and kill them because they've done so much damage to your country. You all understand it. You all are shit scared. That's why you are talking this language.
My point is,
when we come, PTI will.
The fact is, when war will come this time, it will be very devastating. See, you are not understanding. You are not understanding. The war is on your door, and when it will actually be unleashed, it will be very intense and very devastating.
Imran Khan. We are coming to free Imran Khan. We are coming to liberate Imran Khan. And we are coming to save PTI also.
Can I give a soundbite of Amit Shah? Just a soundbite. Just a soundbite of Amit Shah, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to at this point of time play the entire soundbite of Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. There was an event in Delhi which Amit Shah was at, and I think the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma was there, and he made a statement of intent. I'll play this. Ladies and gentlemen, is it ready, producers? Does the team have it? Pradeep, you got the bite? Oh, Amit Shah? Okay, let's play that. Let's play that. Play it, please.
Look at this guy, the way he's waving his hands.
He's absolute joker, Shehbaz Sharif.
Speaks calmly.
Can we play the soundbite of Amit Shah, please? Have you got it?
22 साल पुरानी चीज करके
Have you got the?
Another joker, Amit Shah.
Yeah, just don't you dare open your voice. You know, you look like you got a kidney stone on my program. You're not looking well. I'm telling you, there's something not right with you. There's something not right with you. Like Shehbaz Sharif,
Yeah, there is
you are
something wrong with
going
your mind,
neurotic.
in
You are
fact.
going neurotic.
You're not mentally-
Asim, you're not
You're
looking
mentally sick
fine.
person.
Asim, see a doctor. Asim, see a doctor.
You
You're
see
not
a
okay.
doctor.
You're
You
not
go
okay.
for the
And we haven't
psychologist,
even
you know.
fired our first pinaka at you. Yeah.
You don't look like
You're
a
sitting
normal
like you're
person.
sitting in a rocking chair. Are you in a medical
shot of
chamber?
Rabies injections.
Okay, now anyway, I wish to play my next
person,
news
you know.
report.
You are a
Raja,
sick
my next
person.
news report, ladies and gentlemen, is about how Pakistan has refused to take back its own citizens at the Atari border. They are lined up at the Atari border, and Pakistan are saying to its own citizens, we refuse to recognize you. You cannot come back home. Can you believe that? They didn't take their bodies. Now they are not taking citizens who are alive. A quick
This is a
report.
concocted story.
Shame.
Shame.
Shame
This is a
on you.
concocted
sending
story.
a rabies
You should
injection.
have
Play the story.
who were in India
Play the
who had
story, please.
treatment done, health-related treatments.
In a massive standoff at the Atari-Wagah border, Pakistan has left its citizens stranded at the crossing as the neighboring country has completely closed its border.
वो पाकिस्तान जो कहता है कि हम फौज के साथ खड़े हैं, जो उनके मंत्री कहते हैं हम खून बहाएंगे, क्या खून बहाएंगे? आप नदी, सिंधु नदी को लेकर खून बहाने की बात करते हैं। आपके अपने नागरिक यहाँ धूप में खड़े हैं, भारत में जो रह रहे थे, और उन्हें वापस भेजा जा रहा है। बीएसएफ के जवान यहाँ तैनात हैं, इस बात का इंतजार करते रहे कि उधर से गेट खोला जाएगा तो हम इन्हें वापस भेजेंगे, लेकिन अब इन्हें वापस नहीं भेजा जा रहा है। वापस लेने से इनकार कर दिया गया, बल्कि वहाँ गेट ही नहीं खोला गया।
Pakistan has refused to take back their own citizens. Waiting in queue for hours were men, women, kids, and elderly. Those Pakistani nationals willing to cross the border since morning were left stranded and heartbroken as their own country refused to let them re-enter its soil.
क्या करेंगे अब? वहाँ तो गेट नहीं खोला गया।
देखते हैं भाई, हम अपील ही कर सकते हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं।
मैं 6 बजे से यहाँ परेशान हूँ, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ, मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा। मेरे बच्चे गर्मी में बहुत परेशान हैं, मेरी बच्चियाँ वहाँ रो रही हैं, मैं किसके सहारे छोड़ूँ किसको?
Pakistan has left its citizens in a lurch.
खोलो गेट और इनको जाने दो, शादीशुदा हैं, 2 बच्चे सुबह से कैसे रो रहे हैं बच्चे।
कहाँ से जाएंगे आप लोग? उधर का दरवाजा खोल दीजिए, जो भी है आप एक साइड कर दीजिए। अगर इंडिया वालों को बच्चों को यहीं छोड़ रहे हो तो यहीं छोड़ दो, फिर उनको बाद में बंद निकालवाओ।
It slammed shut the gates on its own and has given no answers, no reasonings to their own citizens.
कल तक तो ये गेट खुल रहा था, आज गेट नहीं खुल रहा है। क्या अपील करेंगे शहबाज शरीफ से?
ये अपील करूँगी कि खोल दें, मेहरबानी आपकी, ताकि जो फंसे हुए हैं वो अपने घर जा सके अपने बच्चों में। आपके हाथ जोड़ के मैं हमें जाने दे,
अब प्लीज साइड को
जाने दे प्लीज, जाने दे।
देखो आप लोगों को ऐसे दूसरे पे
Mohammad Sharik, whose sisters are married in Karachi, had to say this.
मैं सुबह 6 बजे से अपनी बहनों को लेकर आया हुआ हूँ और दिल्ली बॉर्डर से मैं दिल्ली से चला हूँ। 6 बजे यहाँ हिंदुस्तान बॉर्डर पर मैं आ चुका हूँ और कहते 10 बजे बॉर्डर खुल जाता है, 6 बजे से और 10 बजे बॉर्डर खुल जाता है और 11 बजे हमने पूछा तो कह दिया जी बातचीत चल रही है, हम तो यहाँ से भेज रहे हैं, हमारी तो गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया, आदेश दे दिए, मगर वहाँ वाले आदेश नहीं दे पा रहा है।
The situation has similarities to what happened in the Kargil war. This is the same Pakistan which initially refused to accept the bodies of its soldiers killed in action, leaving Indian forces to bury them with Islamic rites. Refused to honor its dead, denies taking back its citizens. Pakistan is in complete panic mode.
Raja, they are your people. Take them back. They're Pakistanis. Take them back.
I think, Arnab,
They're Pakistanis.
Arnab, here we shouldn't
Take them
be
back.
we shouldn't be talking about pro-Pakistan narratives or pro-India narratives. I think this is a humanitarian crisis which always happens whenever there is.
Why aren't you
tension between
opening the
Pakistan
gates?
and
Take
India.
your people
Of
back.
course, these people, they suffer. These
There is
people
no
from both
country in
sides,
the
they
world
suffer.
which
To
refuses
me,
to take
I
back
think-
its people.
To me, I think. Yeah, to me, I think there should be a mechanism that should be introduced from United Nations in between
come
both of the countries
on.
where
Mechanism
for
kya hai?
few hours, both of the countries, they should.
You want to say
they should
something?
comply with
Raja, okay, I'll come to
special
Bishambar Dayal, but
arrangements to
you
take
want to
all
say
of
something
these
on this.
people back from
Deepak, they are not taking that back their people. We've interviewed all of them. They're women, children, all there. They're telling Shahbaz Sharif humko.
No, we are taking.
You are not taking. You closed.
Sir,
You've
it's a
closed.
time-taking
You've
process.
closed the gate.
In normal time, in normal days, Arnab, in normal days, the staff is not too much because every day you won't see this number of people come in. But when ultimately the borders
Take
are
your people back.
then of
These
course
are Pakistanis.
There are special arrangements.
Put that window.
Then there are
Deepak,
special arrangements that are to be required to, of course, get them back to Pakistan or get them back
Yeah,
to
just
India.
1 minute. I
At
lower the
that
volume.
time,
Deepak
at
first.
a
Deepak,
time,
would you like to respond to it?
I just wanted to say he's talking about some UN mechanism. I don't think aapne suna hai, sir. There's a thing called the International Organization for Migration. Ask them to come at the border and identify your people. They have the technology to do it and we will assist them. But then take them back. वो तो आपके नागरिक हैं. आपको शर्म क्यों आती है? वॉर में तो आपने मुर्दों को नहीं लिया, अब जीते जी लोगों को नहीं ले रहे. What is your problem?
Sir, there is no problem. I think same footages were coming from
Bishambar,
our side of the border as
Bishambar.
well, in which Indian people, they wanted to go back to your country, but of course your side of the border was closed as well.
Not at all.
Because
No,
they
no,
don't
we've
have
taken
the
our people back.
readiness to scrutinize
That's
this.
why
You
I want-
have lack of staff.
You
We
have to
lack
take
of
back your
staff.
people. Okay, General Dayal is saying something to you, Raja.
One by one, all of
Raja,
them, they were
I'll lower the
getting
fader here.
scrutinized in the process.
Bishambar Dayal, it's a serious situation. Shehbaz,
What I'm saying is, Arnab, see, a lot of us say Pakistan is a failed state. Some of us say it's a rogue state. I have been telling that it is no state. It has just got a nominal flag, it has just got a nominal boundary, and it has just got a nominal government. And this is not the first time,
Sim
Arnab.
Raza.
And Kargil is not the only example.
Yeah.
In 1996, when they went with Taliban in Afghanistan, they left their serving generals, soldiers dead there and did not get their bodies back. They did this in 1996, they did it in 1992 when there was a coup in Afghanistan. Every time they go, they send with bravado, like they did in Kargil, and when those people die, they refuse to recognize. We have given them identity cards of their soldiers, we have given their entire history. It is not a nation, that's why I'm saying.
And look
Arnab,
at the pictures there.
This is a ruthless congregation
very honorable
of
general.
terrorists. It is time
Sir,
that
you are
India
very
teaches them a
honorable
lesson
general
and
who
remove
has
them from
served
this.
this country
They
and
don't
has
deserve to be on
respect for you.
this set
But
of
let me
people.
tell you, sir, you would
The
agree
present
when I
set
say
of
when
people
there
in
are special
Pakistan,
missions
including your
conducted by
polity,
the
your
troops,
military,
they
is a block on the
agree
humanity.
that they-
You people
what
don't
is coming
deserve.
back?
It's
No,
time
the-
to sort you out. I'm telling you, it is time. You are fortunate that people like me are still holding themselves. Because you people have ruined the entire Asia and you are ruining Europe now.
No,
you
you're
have
not.
spread terrorism in the world. So how will you take up? You have no people.
Sir,
you have no
I'm
emotions.
glad
You have not.
Raja, louder, Raja.
Most inhuman nation on the earth.
We have been coming to
Most inhuman nation, most inhuman
from
people.
Canada, from America, from UK.
Someone,
That is
someone.
India that is
You have
involved in
massacred
India that is involved
the
in
PLO. तुमने पैलेस्टीनियन लिबरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लोगों को खुलेआम सड़कों पे मारा है इन जॉर्डन एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी शॉक्ड दैट द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हमास comes to
Asim on the right. Asim on the right. Asim.
They have destroyed you.
You're saying
They have
you're alone,
pushed you
you're
in the
sitting
well of war.
duck. You're laying duck. You're laying duck.
They have pushed you in the
You're
well
laying
of
duck.
war.
You know, you are.
जो तुमने
you
अपना
are
एनटीए
just a
बनाया
laying
ना
duck.
नेशनल टेररिस्ट एडवाइजर यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू गो डाउन द वेल
Go and
No, but
ask
I
America.
go back on
Mike Pence,
I
what Mike
appeal
Pence
to
say?
you. I appeal to you.
You don't
There
have
are
to
lots of
say about it.
Pakistanis. You see, there is a right to return that is there. As you know, you leave any country. I'm an Indian citizen. I go, I have a right to return. It's Article 13(2). ये पाकिस्तानी तो जानते नहीं होंगे ये सब चीज़ें, but there's Article 13(2) of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights saying everybody has a right to return to their country. You can leave the country, you have a right to return.
There might be some procedural problem.
Procedural क्या है? पाकिस्तानी है?
अरे पढ़ो अपने लोग
Procedural क्या है इसमें?
पाकिस्तानी
आप अपने लोगों को नहीं ले रहे हो?
तुम जिस तरह वेनमेंट इंसान और पाकिस्तानियों के लिए तुम्हारी बातों से पता चलता है, तुम्हें क्या हमदर्दी पाकिस्तान से?
Isolated case, there are families and people in Afghanistan who are Pakistanis who want to return to Pakistan and they're not being permitted. They're not being permitted. It is not an isolated case.
You just worry about the Kulbhushan Yadav we have.
अरे क्या है कुलभूषण?
don't read, पढ़ो ऐसे अनपढ़ों की तरह don't come in front of
Now
screen.
we have a situation here.
यार तुम जाहिल इंसान हो, अनपढ़ इंसान हो, भगोड़े हो तुम कारगिल के।
तुम्हें रेबीज के इंजेक्शन
अच्छा,
भिजवाएंगे।
one.
Relax.
My question to Raja, take him off, please. Raja, reason this out, please, because I am very. The Pakistanis are very dejected. They're very sad. There are old women, there are children, and they say मुझे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है कि मेरे ऐसा गवर्नमेंट है, उन्होंने कहा हम इतने परेशान हैं, इन्होंने ये कह दिया कि तुम्हें अपने देश में आने नहीं देंगे. It's so sad. It's a human story.
No, that's bad.
Raja,
I want to.
Why are you scared of bringing Pakistanis back?
As your show is equally watched in Pakistan as well, the way it is watched in India, I request you, from the podium of your show, I would request both of the governments, Pakistani government as well as the Indian government, that there should be special arrangements from both sides of the border.
I also want to tell you one reply. General Dayal,
Thank him. He's acknowledging one fact, that Republic is watched in Pakistan as much as it is watched in
They
India.
watch it here,
so
sir.
your people are inquisitive. Their people want to know the truth. People want to know the actual facts.
Since he's asking me to address the people of Pakistan, I want to say something.
Yeah, we must say.
To the people of Pakistan, I want to say that जितने और हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, उर्दू तो हमें आती नहीं है, तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, हिंदी में कह रहा हूँ आपको कि इनका नाम है जिनको मारा गया इधर और जिनको हमने मारा, और इनकी जो लास्ट नाइट्स हमने किए, उनका नाम है मेजर इकबाल, कैप्टन कमल शेख और लेफ्टिनेंट इम्तियाज़ मलिक. ये तो मुझे पता है, और ये नॉर्दर्न लाइट इन्फेंट्री के थे. आप इवन यू डिड नॉट टेक बैक देयर बॉडीज़. और मैं कहना चाहता हूँ पाकिस्तान के लोगों को कि देखिए कितनी बेशरम आपकी सरकार है, आपकी आर्मी जो थकी हारी हुई आर्मी है, इन्होंने अपने यंग ऑफिसर्स को वापस नहीं लिया. Is that not the saddest thing that you can do? ये आर्मी कैसे लड़ेगी? ये इंडियन आर्मी से लड़ेगी. इनको पता है इधर अगर ये मर जाए तो इनके बॉडीज भी कोई वापस लेने नहीं आएगा, और ये पाकिस्तान के लोगों को पता है. क्या असीम ज्यादा लगी आपको? मिर्ची लगी? कसाब कहाँ का था? लगी?
मरने के लिए तैयार होती है, तुम डरते हो.
अरे भाई अपने अफसरों को ले लेते वापस. मारा है हमने उनको, मारा है असीम, मारा है उनको, मगर वी हैव गिवन देम ऑनर.
डरते हो आप लोग, हम नहीं डरते.
I am saying that you have to take your dead back. Anyway, to go back to the present humanitarian crisis.
No way.
To DC ख्वाजा आसिफ कह रहे हैं कि अल्लाह करे अवर्ट हो जाए, अल्लाह करे हम पर भारत अटैक ना करे, अल्लाह करे हमें अटैक ना हो. अरे भाई आपको कौन बचाएगा? पाकिस्तान आपके इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर है, वो 2 बजे सुबह निकल के ट्वीट किया उन्होंने, इनको इंसोम्निया है, ही हैज इंसोम्निया, इनको नींद नहीं आ रही है. 2:30 बजे इन्होंने ट्वीट किया कि मेरे पास एविडेंस आ गई कि कल अटैक होगी. दिस राजा, आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट अप, व्हाट इज हिज नेम, वो कौन है? दैट इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर तरार करके 2:30 बजे इसने ट्वीट की है. आसिफ, 1 मिनट, 2:30 बजे ट्वीट की क्या कल अटैक होगी?
This is what an information minister is supposed to do.
2:30 बजे बोले, 2:30 बजे बोल रहा है कि कल अटैक होगी. 2:30 बजे.
Anytime. whatever the time he's getting an exclusive news about any attack on Pakistan, of course, this is
कहाँ
what
से
he's
मिला
got
इनको
to
exclusive
do.
news, Samar?
That is why.
Where did he get exclusive? Bishambar Dayal, where did he get the exclusive news from?
There is no news. It's panic.
information मिली थी जो
He is
तुम्हारा-
under panic and under psychological warfare. He is psychologically obsessed that soon attack is coming. We have not declared war till now. We haven't mobilized our forces fully. We have just made few maneuvers in the sea. And look at his fear. It is his fear speaking. It is not that he has got any news. It is not that any channel has declared war. Listen, Raja, you must understand what is his psychological fear. And if you don't know, please go ask the psychologist. This man in his sleep is getting nightmares that Indian army is coming and his life is at stake. You don't be surprised.
Okay, viewers, before
Great power comes with a great responsibility.
Anyway, we know our responsibility. Deepak ji, they must take their people. Deepak.
I just wanted to say to our friends there, sir, the kind of behavior we are seeing, we call it the insanity of insecurity. That induces irrational behavior. डर रहे हैं, so then you start, and this is called pretexting. अरे इतना बड़ा खतरा है, और फिर 36 घंटे के बाद बोलेंगे हमने उनको सबक सिखा दिया, देखो उन्होंने हमला नहीं किया. सर ये बहुत पुराना खेल है सर, नई किताबें पढ़िए, नई चीजें सीखिए. ये तो मैंने 50 साल पहले when I joined the foreign service हमने सीखा था सर. Pretexting. अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है पढ़ लीजिए.
Anyway, Ishaq Dar is related to Asim Munir's wife. And he was ISI के chief को भेजा गया to babysit Ishaq Dar at a press conference. Viewers, I'm ending the program this evening with the soundbite of Amit Shah. And remember, once again I say, stand with the government. The people of India are firmly behind Narendra Modi. And ladies and gentlemen, the Pakistanis are freaking out. We will hit them. We will hit them.
Of course we will.
Magar, there was a line of our famous actor. राजकुमार, क्या लाइन था उनका? हम समय भी हमारी होगी,
वक्त भी हमारा होगा,
जगह भी हमारी होगी. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the soundbite of Amit Shah, and I'll see you tomorrow.
हम आएंगे, वो जरूर आएंगे.
हम आएंगे.
उन सभी आतंक की भेंट चढ़ने वाले हमारे नागरिकों को, उनके परिवारजनों को कहना चाहता हूं, एक क्षति सिर्फ आपकी क्षति नहीं है, आपके जितना ही दर्द देश के हर नागरिक के दिल में है, हर नागरिक इतना ही दुख का अभिव्यक्ति करना चाहता है. और मैं आज पूरे देश की जनता को यह बताना चाहता हूं कि 90 के दशक से कश्मीर में जो आतंकवाद चला रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जीरो टॉलरेंस का नीति है. हम मजबूती के साथ अपनी लड़ाई लड़े हैं और आज वो ये न समझ ले कि हमारे 27 नागरिकों का जान लेकर ये लड़ाई जीते हो. मैं सभी आतंक फैलाने वालों को कहना चाहता हूं कि लड़ाई का अंत नहीं है, एक मकाम है. हर व्यक्ति को चुन चुन कर जवाब भी मिलेगा, जवाब भी लिया जाएगा. नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चाहे उत्तर पूर्व हो, चाहे वामपंथी उग्रवाद का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे कश्मीर पर पड़ी आतंकवाद की छाया हो, हर चीज का मजबूती के साथ हमने जवाब दिया है. और अगर कोई एक कायराना हमला कर ये समझता है कि हमारी बड़ी जीत है, तो एक बात मन से समझ लीजिए, ये नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार है, किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. इस देश की इंच इंच भूमि पर से आतंकवाद को मूल समेत उखाड़ने का हमारा संकल्प है और वो सिद्ध होकर रहेगा।
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.